So for all of this, I'm not giving you all of the settings I do, but I usually do put the size at 1.4, and that's force fade, and I usually use the other tip, but not the actual settings. And then you'll just see me outlining the nose and whatnot, and yeah. So I would just like to say I'm sorry in advance for this song looping around 7 times. I usually try to find different music to put in each video, you know, so this is the one you're just gonna have to deal with for today. I would quickly like to say thank you all so much for over 100 subscribers, and yeah, mwah. And now I'm just doing the eyes. And I was pretty disappointed in what I did there. Like, I would never do that on the actual outline that I would post. That was horrible. But I was in the car, so I guess it's like the best that I could get while I'm in the car. I don't really know, but that was not my best work for the under eyes at all. I don't even know what I'm doing right now because pre-recorded things. But I'm outlining the lips. Oh my gosh, I'm so dry, but this took me like a billion times because I always end up redoing it over and over and over and over again. Also, one thing that I accidentally did do is that you can see that I'm on layer 2, but the layer 2 is actually the picture and not a separate layer, so I couldn't like go back and erase things. It was too late, and I didn't want to start all over again because usually when I screen record in Ibis, it crashes. So I was taking what I could get. So yeah. And then now I'm just doing the eyeliner. And you'll see later on, I don't know whether it's in this clip or not, but I'm like doing the eyelashes. And I totally forgot to do the bottom lashes, which was I was disappointed in myself. Sorry if these clips are a little bit too fast for you guys. I usually put it even faster, but I know you guys will butcher me if I put it any faster. And I was thinking of doing like a time-lapse one and then doing the full length. But the full length is 16 minutes, and my storage will not uphold that power. I mean, it could, but I'm gonna forget to store it to a hard drive. And then, yeah. That was so random, but yeah, now I'm just doing the eyebrows. Honestly, I really don't like doing the eyebrows because I've done so many different styles of eyebrows. I don't think I'm good at the eyebrows, but you know, you guys can take inspo from what I do. Like all the eyebrow styles that I've done, like it's like a mini inspo from like a million different people, because I'm still trying to figure out what to do for eyebrows and how to not make them look ugh. And now I'm in the phase of doing those little things in the front to make it look like extra eyebrow hairs. I don't really know. Also, sorry that the thumbnail was misleading if you're still watching it this far. I wanted to show what the black outline would look like, but as I told you guys earlier, it's I accidentally drew on the actual picture, which is a disadvantage of Ibispaintx. please don't attack me for the way I do eyelashes. Like, I don't know, eyelashes, it's not my strong suit, so please, like, like, I know it's not the best as other people, but I try, okay? I don't know, but my eyelashes used to be a lot worse, so, that was so random, but I totally forgot to do the bottom lashes, but the bottom lashes are just like the upper lashes, but bottom, you know what I mean? I mean, they're kind of different, but not at the same time, but yeah. And then there's me with my long eyeliner, per usual. Well, it's not as long in this one, but on the other eye, yes. And I feel like when it comes to outlining, I least look forward to doing eyelashes and eyebrows. And in some cases, I would actually do eyebrows last because, you know, like, I just didn't want to deal with it till the end. But now my issue is with hair, and I'll hopefully have a hair tutorial soon, but it's just like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it and all, and yeah. And also, you've probably seen throughout this is that I make so many mistakes, but this is like not even like that much compared to what I actually do. And seeing that I'm in the car while doing it, you know, I don't really know. Hopefully YouTube can like pick up what I'm saying, because I don't want to add captions for myself. And now I'm doing that part of the eyebrows. I don't even know what it is. Like, nah, it's just like a thing. I really do not know. And the last things you'll see me do is just a little thing in the mouth that probably nobody's gonna see, and the chin. I wouldn't usually use the chin on force fade, but like some situations I have to because I want like the tip to be quote unquote pointy instead. But that's the tutorial. Hope you liked it.